inspection at two levels, which is at this junction and then below Atal Setu. Because if you can see, there are many roads here, there is a lot of traffic jam taking place and there are many wrong messages going out because of infrastructure which has not been maintained. So in today's inspection, we have had the participation of, we have even called the Smart City, they are here today. We have called Electricity Department, Fire Department, PWD Roads, PWD Highways, okay. Then we have Traffic Police, Transport Department, and what we are keen today to look at is what are the infrastructure gaps, what are the recommendations from the departments. So there are long term and short term. So if you have seen some of the recommendations made by the Traffic Police is also some major infrastructure changes to the present setup that is there. So this we will be putting in the long term part. Short term part is like clearing some of the crash barriers, they are opening out, creating more space for the traffic to move, removing some of the encroachments that are there, some advertisement board which are lying, etc. And ultimately we want to make this junction very road safety friendly, very friendly for the pedestrians and friendly for the road users. So in keeping that in mind, we will be looking now for the recommendations from each department. For example, we will be asking Electricity Department to map the infrastructure here. Every pole will be numbered. There are certain provisions, guard wire, stay wire, all these things that will be there for fire safety. And keeping in mind the increased number of cases of drunken driving, we will also see what kind of protection. If you see, there is a certain amount of protection for these pillars. But we also have to keep in mind after some time that there could be no serious disasters. Also the piping that is there. You can see the piping. Now the monsoon will be coming. Some of these joints break. Entire water falls on the driver and puts him in hardship. So all these type of things will be mapping. And we also want to see the jurisdiction. One of the problems we have found, many departments, there is no interaction between the departments. So what we are trying to do is, once we get the mapping done, we will be sharing the coordinates, email and mobile numbers of the respective nodal officers. So this junction is on watch continuously. Okay, as you know, the Beltec company has been given this contract for the signals and also the cameras. So the cameras which will be connected to the signals is on a PPP model. So there is a 60-40 partnership between the company and the government. So we are also going to look at that very closely when they are still at the installation change, but once they do the installation change, we will look at the monitoring, because we have had situations at the border. As you know, in the border, for example, non-having PUC certificate. So PUC, non-having PUC certificate, straight away it is 10,500. But what are the provisions in law? You have 1 week's time. So all these type of things we are looking at. Ultimately, we want to see that the road users' life doesn't become a problem. You see, he should not feel he is getting harassed, or he should not feel there is inadequate signage in the area. This is the background of this inspection today.
Sir, what is the period for compliance of the
So as I said, removing of the encroachment, etc., we have asked them in this case before Monday to remove it. Then we will look at what are the recommendations they have made. For example, crash barriers to be removed. It's not too much of a problem, removal. But when you have to install something, there is a financial outlay. So we are asking departments also to start putting their money where their mouth is. See what happens, असे जाऊन जाय तसे जाऊन जाय खूप डिपार्टमेंट म्हणतात, पण ज्यांना कर पास आहे, the money is not available. So we are saying to do it right in advance. So we are going to take review on every quarter basis, financial review. That means if you have put up a project, are you getting clearance? Okay. And as far as road safety signages, what we are proposing is we will exchange, remove whatever boards are here and install road safety signages and tap the money from the lead agency of the road safety fund. As you know, the road safety fund has been created on the basis of the Supreme Court order, and 50% of all the fines collected go into the road safety fund, and that is meant for spending for this type of thing. So that signaling was a pilot project. It never got implemented, and there was a lot of confusion. We ourselves asked to remove it. It never got done. So finally, since that same company has been awarded the contract, what we are also going to do is that we are going to put helpline numbers at all these pillars. See, we want people to take responsibility for this infrastructure. गव्हर्मेंटाचे पैसे ते लोक कितें म्हणटा हे सरकाराचे सरकारान करपा जाय. But if I am a consumer, I am a driver, I see something, I can quickly message. Thanks to the media, to all you guys, you have done a fantastic job monitoring this junction for so long, and that is how the road safety committee was able to do a lot of highlight these issues in the agenda of the meeting because of the feedback of the media. But I don't see the media should do this all the time. Citizens should do it, and citizens can do it if the right contact numbers, email IDs are provided all over the place.
पण आता जर AI घालता काय किती घालता परत?
No, so we'll have to see. We have not got a formal thing. The company has been asked to make a
नॉर्मल
presentation.
सिग्नल घालता जाल्यार मागीर थर्ड पार्टी
So
कंपनी.
we are asking the concerned companies to make presentation before the district collector. So the next meeting will be all about presentation.
जर नॉर्मल सिग्नल घालूंक जाय जाल्यार थर्ड पार्टी कंपनी सरकाराची जाता.
That I cannot answer. What we are only going to say is that we would like to bring more transparency in this area so everybody knows who is responsible for what. That is what we want to do, and we will achieve it in the first month of this financial year for
सो
sure.
आता हे फूल चेंजीस सर आमकां केन्ना पळोवपाक मेळटले हांगासर?
No, that's what I told you. We are asking each department, and I will be personally following it up week to week. Okay, so every week I will be asking their reports whether they have sent it to the collector's office, yes or no. Okay, and then we will be having our own district council meeting, committee meeting. So we will take the review.
टोटल कितले डिपार्टमेंट आयज प्रेझेंट?
See, as I said, there should be at least about 10 departments. Yeah. So traffic, transport, district police, traffic police, electricity, PWD roads, PWD highways, fire department. Okay. Yeah, I think around 11.
TTDC also.
No, tourism department is also here.
So also this we have highlighted this issue about the barricades.
Yes.
There was no proper numbers of the Goa
Yeah,
police
yeah.
and only advertisement of casinos.
Yes, yes.
So that has been
So
also
that is what
highlighted.
we are saying. We will now put the road safety messaging. For example, wear seat belt, don't drink and drive. All these type of messaging will come on these barricades, at least at this junction first. Because that money, what has to be spent, we are going to propose to use it from the road safety fund. Okay? Thank you guys.
Thank you.